Places of worship have certain architectural characteristics that are universally common. One of these is usually a central tower that is built with a very tall ceiling. Our ancestors combined a lot of symbolism with their ideas for holy buildings. The tall ceiling signifies man being watched and studied by God from above. It also represents our aspiration to improve, starting small but through work growing very large. Looking up inside the building was always meant to be stunning and inspiring and gave instant clarity of mind and positive thoughts. Detailed decorations adorned the inside until the very top of the buildings, showing people that they too should work to the top of any endeavor they put their mind to. Entrances to holy sites were often built narrow and small, but led to a massive courtyard, at the center of which was the main tall building. This too carried its own message, representing ideas beginning small but ultimately leading to very big things. The small entrance also acted as a filter to keep away unwanted elements, sending another symbolic message that bad intentions should be purged out of the mind as good thoughts enter at the heart of the temple grounds. The entrance for the priests was similarly made small to show that God's words, as brief as they may be, carry immense importance and meaning for all. Intricate organization was the hallmark of the inner layout, indicating to worshippers that they should similarly organize their minds with careful planning. But above all, holy sites were places of congregation, peace, harmony, cooperation and enjoyment for the throngs of people who visited. Swamiji says, just as our places of worship are built so that they begin small but lead to large, beautiful structures, so too should we strive, with cooperation, work, careful planning and enjoyment to take our small ideas and grow them into monumental achievements.